We will guide you through how to mark all as read in Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to locate Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application and wait for it to load completely. Enter Slack. Click the official Slack website. Ensure you have already logged into your Slack account so you can access your workspace without interruption. After signing in successfully, tap your recent workspaces to open the workspace where you want to manage unread messages. If you do not have a Slack desktop application installed, choose the option labeled Use Slack in your browser to continue using the web version instead. There are two different ways to mark all messages as read in Slack, and both methods are simple to use. The first method is to press Shift plus Escape on your keyboard while Slack is open. After using this keyboard shortcut, a pop-up notification will appear asking whether you really want to clear all unread messages. Review the confirmation prompt carefully, then click Yes, Clear All to continue. Slack will immediately mark every unread message as read, and the unread indicators throughout your workspace will be cleared. The second method uses the Unreads tab located in the left sidebar. If the Unreads tab is not currently visible, you can enable it through the Manage My Sidebar settings before continuing. Once the tab is available, click Unreads to display a complete list of every unread message across your workspace. Review the list if needed, then click Mark All Messages Read to clear every unread notification at once. After completing either method, your workspace will no longer display unread message indicators.